Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So big surprise, our cat gave birth to some litters, so we're gonna see them. Yeah, they are pretty cute, bunch of color. Some are mixed. There's also the daddy cat. Hey king. So this is our cat that gave birth. It's pretty cute. It's just tired. I think gave birth last night. So we woke up and found a bunch of kitties. That was the recent child, but he's kind of sick right now. So don't worry, he will get better. No, she'll get better. Anyways, let me take you and show you the where it gave birth from. Oh, nice camera. Why all these filters? Come on. Let me go show you where it gave birth. It's really nice. I think it has given birth to 3. Yeah, 3. I think it will give birth to another one, but I don't think so, because even last time it gave birth to only 3. Yeah. Let me show you. Climbing all this way to show you this. They're right here in this abandoned house. Hey there, kitty. They're right here. So cute. Look at this black one. It's like the other black cat you have been seeing in the videos. Oops. So yeah, that's what we're having right now. It's a cute car. Hope that song is not copyrighted. It's in the back. Anyway, yeah. So they are really nice. People is let me show the dad is right here. Oh wait, let me show you clearly. There's the dad chilling. They're actually siblings, but animals don't care about those stuff. Yeah. So it's right up there. Yeah. Just sleeping, and she. The sis is also right there, chilling. Anyway, that's it. I just want to show you the litter that our cat gave birth to. So I didn't show that much. It was also a surprise to me. Just woke up and I saw, it gave birth. So if there are any updates, I'll tell you. People will be adopting them really soon, because every time they'll be adopting them, taking them to their houses. Yeah, but that's it. I'll see you in my next one. Nice. Also, if you like the documentary of the kittens growing up, I'll plan that. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you like cats or dogs, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, check the links down in the description if you're a crypto guy and want some crypto. Yeah, go mine, bro. Yeah, and take to the car, bro. If you get it, let's go. I also submit my art contest picture or photo in a few days. Yeah, in a few days I'll be upload. But the one with the Hitler stuff was really funny. Yeah, keep up the good work. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.